The 14 September Apple event brought along plenty of amazing Apple goodies, including the 6th Gen iPad mini. It has been completely redesigned since its initial launch back in 2012 with tons of visual and performance upgrades. Now, it is appearing more like the iPad Air, but in a smaller form factor. But is it worth it though? We mean, the question of how does it compare to its previous gen and whether an upgrade will be a smart decision still arises. To figure out, we will be comparing the iPad mini 6 and iPad mini 5 head-on in this video. Keep on watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. While both of the models are rocking an aluminum build, the core difference relies on the design of these devices. The 5th Gen iPad mini has relatively larger bezels around the screen and a Touch ID that is located at the bottom. On the latest iPad mini, the bezels are much narrower and the Touch ID has been moved to the power button located at the very top of the device. Result, you get more screen real estate and easier access to your iPad mini. Even though the iPad mini 6 offers a larger screen, it weighs less than the iPad mini 5. Talking about the screen, the iPad mini 5 offers a 7.9-inch Retina display with a native resolution of 2040 by 1536 pixels. On the contrary, the Mini 6 gives you an 8.3-inch liquid Retina screen with a native resolution of 2266 by 1488 pixels. Both of them have a similar pixel density of 326 ppi, a maximum brightness level of 500 nits, and features Apple's True Tone visual technology that automatically adjusts the brightness level according to the light condition you're in. Another big difference between these two devices is the camera sensors and their capturing capabilities. The previous iPad mini, 5th Gen to be precise, has an 8-megapixel wide sensor that could capture 1080p footage at up to 30 frames per second. The 6th Gen iPad mini took a huge leap to a 12-megapixel ultra-wide one that can record at up to 4K resolution with 60 frames per second. Other awesome features include Smart HDR3 and extended dynamic range. It even has the center stage feature that keeps you in the center of focus without needing you to be stationary. Several changes have been made to the internal components as well that make the iPad mini as powerful as the previous gen iPad Pro and iPad Air. It's packing Apple's latest A15 Bionic chip that is a couple of times faster than the previous one in terms of both processing and GPU performance. It is also packing 5G connectivity and a Type-C port. Looking at the 5th Gen iPad mini, it runs by A12 Bionic chip, has 4G connectivity and has a Lightning port for the means of connectivity and charging. It's quite clear that the 6th Gen iPad mini is powerful, has more screen space and is convenient to use compared to the 5th Gen iPad mini. However, if you're on a budget and can care less about the latest features and upgrades, going for the iPad mini 5 is indeed a good decision. So that was all about whether you should make the upgrade to the iPad mini 6. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.